Welcome to my channel. This is the Sonics Art. Here I teach and I explain how to create amazing artwork like this and like this one. So stay with me as we walk into creating an amazing artwork like this. Normally come with patience, because we notice that a lot of artists draw thousands of pictures and they keep missing it out because of some based on the proportion or the sketch. What I have to tell you about the work is that sketching a work is the beginning of your art. When you sketch a very fine work, the progression of that work, it will not be hard for you. You understand what I'm saying? So each time you want to start a portrait, you take your time and sketch the work very well. Make sure you have some of the little detail, because as you want to, it's the sketch now will determine your work and how your work is going to come outside. You understand? So looking at this particular work here, you can see how at the beginning of the work, and as we continue to graduate into the work, you can see the reference, how everything is coming from there, because I already take my time to sketch the work very well. After sketching it, then I start to graduate the work eventually. You understand? Eventually, and as we progress, I was able to fish out the little detail that we're missing out. So as an upcoming artist, sometimes we may be carried away whether you are getting it or how is the whole thing okay. So you keep drawing thousands of pictures, but this particular little error, you'll be finding it very difficult to get that particular images you want to get, because you are missing out on the sketch, the little detail of the beginning of the work. I don't think whether I'm making a sense in the temple, but this is very important. So you have to be considering this factor that I'm about to tell you, because number one, after getting your object or figure, anything that you want to sketch, after sketching it, there's a lot of improvement. We are living in a digital world now. Some artists use projector to sketch and get the image of what they want to draw, while some use grid method. You understand this type of thing that I'm saying? So with these little factors can hinder your growth in creating images. So like I always say, for me, I'm here to guide you how to create pastel portraits. You understand? So creating pastel portraits like this, or maybe probably stuff like this, it's really amazing, because some of the artists are finding it very difficult to graduate the skin tone, but here I'll make it very simple. So if you watch this video up till now, do well, subscribe and follow and stay tuned for more. You understand? So that you will not miss anything.